Audio Jungle.
Welcome back friends. In this lecture we will send the files and images. Okay, so now let's go to chat.js. okay, and now scroll down the page. Okay, so here add a comment. Okay, upload images. Okay, and files. Okay, and files. Perfect. Okay, now go to chatpom.php. Okay, and now target this id. Okay, so copy from here, target this id. Okay, upload files. Okay, so here target id value and now dot change. Okay, so change is the event name. Okay, change is the event name. Okay, so now here add function. Okay, for example here just add the alert. Okay, change. Okay, so what does mean change? Okay, now let's go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so when we click on this and this input field, okay, and this upload file, okay, you can see here. So now this mean the event has changed. Okay, so now in this condition the change event will be trigger. Okay, so now for example here choose any image. Okay, you can see here change. Okay, so now in this condition the change event will trigger. Okay, so I mean the change event will be called. Okay, so now here we need to first of all we need to get the image name. Okay, I mean the file name. So here create a variable var file name equal to dollar. Okay, here add hash id. Okay, so we will receive the this file name. Okay, we will get this file name. Okay, so here add val. Okay, so here add f file name dot length not equal to empty. Okay, then send the eject request. Okay, when you either choose the image or files or file, okay, then send the eject request. Okay, so here $ dot eject. Okay, so here simply type first. Okay, and now here url. Okay, so in the eject folder create new file, send files.php. Okay, very simple, send files.php. Perfect. Okay, now data. Okay, so now here we will do something new. Okay, how? Okay, here just add new keyword. Okay, new is a keyword. Okay, when you upload the image or when you upload the file, okay, so you will do like this. Okay, you will not like this. Okay, here we just add like this. So here we pass the variable. Okay, so we will here do something new. Okay, here add new keyword. Okay, and after here add pom. So f will be the capital letter. Okay, pom, and now d will be also the capital letter. Pom data. Okay, so pom data is a predefined method. Okay, pom data is a predefined method. Okay, so here pass the pom id. Okay, or the pom class. So first of all go to send pom. Okay, now target this class. Okay, so here $ dot class name. Okay, and here add 0 index. Okay, so 0 index means to select the pom all input field. Okay, 0 means to select the pom all fields. Okay, so now you can send file and image very easily. Okay, using this technique. Okay, just type here a new keyword. Okay, and now pom data, and here target here sorry, and here target the pom class or id and just add here 0. Okay, so now after and two things more. Okay, two things more here. We also need to add here content type. Okay, the content type will be false. Okay, you must need to add this attribute, otherwise you cannot upload the image. Okay, and one thing more, process data will be also false. Okay, you must need to add these two attributes. Okay, otherwise you cannot upload the image. Okay, and after success, okay, and here we will not receive the response in a JSON format, because here we have the content type is false. Okay, so here the JSON response will not work. Okay, in this condition. Okay, so here we will receive the AJAX response in a text format. Okay, okay, understand? And now here feedback. Okay, so for example here alert. Okay, feedback. Okay, very simple. So now create this file. Okay, I think this file is already created. Okay, yes, created. Okay, send files, but from here copy this to include and class object. Okay, and here start PHP. Okay, now one thing more, go to send pom.php, sorry, go to components and now check pom.php. Okay, now inside the input type here add add the name. Okay, here add the name, for example send file. Okay, here add the name send file. So now we will target this name inside the PHP file. Okay, I mean inside here. Okay, so here add f asset. Okay, files. Okay, paste name. Okay, if this add set. Okay, then for example here add a echo set. Okay, echo set. Now go to the browser, now refresh the page. For example choose the file, choose this image, open perfectly. Okay, you can see here it's working perfectly. Okay, our code is working perfectly. Okay, now friends, so I think enough for this video, and the next video we will do the more code. Okay, we will upload we will store image inside the folder. Okay, and after we will send the file or the image name to the database. We will store the image name inside the table. Okay, and we will also do the validation. Okay, we will do the proper validation. Okay, so friends, if you have any issue, just write your issue in the QA area. I will give you the response. Okay, and friends, remember one thing, you must need to add these two attributes. Okay, content type will be false and process data will be also false, otherwise you cannot upload the image. Okay, and here we have the new keyword. Okay, and the POM data. Inside the POM data you need to specify your POM ID or class. Okay, and just add here 0. Okay, so now in the next video we will do the more code. Okay, so for now thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.